Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing, installing, testing and reviewing another motorcycle display with Android Auto, CarPlay, Bluetooth connection, music, and what's most important, IP67 dust and water protection. This is the Carpuride W712D. You can buy the product using the link in the video description, also using the code displayed on the screen for a nice discount if you will order this device. In the box you will get the following items. Of course, the screen itself, which is a 7-inch IPS LED touchscreen display. Yeah, it comes with a bunch of power cords. We have 4 different cords. 2 are for the cameras, front and back. Also we get one to the battery and one to this remote control, which is very nice. This one will be installed somewhere near the hand, and we can answer a phone call. We can switch between the front and the rear camera, or we can go to the home button. Also we get a safety fuse. In the package we have another safety fuse, and let's see what else we got here. USB cable, some mounting brackets, yeah, of course one camera, the front one, the other camera, the rear camera, which is longer, which has a longer cable, mounting brackets, screws, screwdriver, yeah, everything we need is there. And of course the instructions manual, where we have all the informations we need, yeah, about the CarPlay, the Auto, the Android Auto, the Wi-Fi video. Also we get Wi-Fi video, playback, Moto DVR. Everything we need to know is here. This device is made for motorcycles, but we are going to install it on an ATV, an off-road vehicle. It's very nice. This way we get to record every off-road drive, all the landscape, and get the functions like Android Auto, CarPlay, music, and so on. So that's it with the unboxing. I just want to show you one more thing. Right here we have an micro SD card already installed. So let's go on and install this on the ATV and see how everything works. So the installation is very simple. The first step is to fix the display on the ATV or on the motorcycle. After you found its final position, it's time to get all the cables. First we connected the cables for the power. Usually you have to connect it to the battery, but in our case the battery is somewhere in the back, so we made some adjustments, and the next step was to fix the remote control. It fitted perfectly on the left side, and in this way the owner will use the functions of the tablet very easy. Next step was to fix the rear camera, which fitted nicely on top of the logo, the ATV logo. There's no need to use the screws in the package. Also the front camera was fitted very nicely on this plastic cover. And then we started to test out the functions. First thing you have to do is to set the date and time. This way you will easily find the videos you recorded. So the date and time have to be synchronized. Then we tried the Android Auto connection, which is very fast, reliable. Everything works out very nice. We have all the Android Auto apps, yeah, all the apps in the ecosystem, the Google Maps, Waze, WhatsApp, messages. Of course the WhatsApp and the messages all work with the assistant. And then we also tried the CarPlay feature. As you can see, we have all the apps, and then we also tried the cameras. Using the remote control, we can switch between the camera, the home screen. If you have CarPlay or Android Auto, home screen will be on the CarPlay. Then in the menu, we can select videos to watch, videos that are locked. And you should know that once the micro SD card fills up, it will loop record, which means that it will delete the older videos. So if you have an important video, first thing you have to do is to lock it so it won't be deleted. Another great feature is the ability to connect a Bluetooth headset to this Carpuride tablet, and using that Bluetooth headset you will be able to talk on your phone while driving, and if someone calls you, you are able to pick up the phone or the call using the remote control, and also you can shut down your call using the button on the remote control. Another great feature is the wireless video. There is an app that you can download, and using that app the phone will automatically connect to the wireless connection, and this way you will access all your videos. You will be able to take photos, record some videos, and also you will be able to see the location of your ATV or motorcycle. Another great function is the vertical setup, which means that if you like, you can use the tablet in the vertical mode. All you have to do is restart it in order to open up in this mode, and if you don't like it, you can reverse to the horizontal. I really like it, it's very nice. It's very important that we have the IP67 water and dust proof rating, which means it will withstand all the harsh environments. We will take it with this ATV, and most importantly, you won't have to worry when washing your motorcycle or your ATV after some off-road drives. If you have other questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and if you want to buy the product, use the link in the video description and the discount code on the screen. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.